Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still am a big believer that this is a 1, 2, 3, and I still don't even think the wave 3 is over. I still think this is going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish this uptrend on the monthly. So you have to keep in mind every candle is 1 month, so this is potentially going to take a year or more to play out. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is a 1, a 2, and I still think this is a wave 3. I think this is a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, and we're probably in a wave 4 of 3. I think eventually it's going to have to go up for a wave 5 of 3 just to end this wave 3, which is only a wave 3 of the bigger trend I was showing you on the monthly time frame. So heading down to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, one thing else to keep in mind is that if this is a wave 4, it's probably going to be around the same size in time or the same length in time as the wave 2 was, which is why I think this is very likely going to stretch out into a very, very overlapping wave, probably at least until the middle of June before we actually do get another push up for the big wave 5. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as 5 waves down. I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is the end of a wave A. I think this is going to make its way up to make some sort of an A, B, C of B. I think it needs to at least take out the high of wave 4, which would put us up to the 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci, maybe even the 78.6. You don't really know. I just know that a wave B needs to take out the high of wave 4. Then, if we get that nice Fibonacci bounce, nice breaker structure, then it would most likely at that point be going down again for a wave C. So let's head right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I do think that this is still very likely a correction to the uptrend. I am definitely looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I am definitely looking for a break of structure. With this big impulsive move down, it's kind of hard to tell whether it's really over now or not. I would like to see a double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape with a break of structure. That would help prove to me that this really is the end of a correction and really is the continuation of the uptrend. Now, if this does just turn into a big engulfing move and it goes up and engulfs that big red candle, that for me would also be an entry to go long. But there's really no proof that it's actually going to end here. It easily could just keep on going down, which is why until I see that 3, 4, 5 shape or I see a big, big engulfing move to the upside, I am actually still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Until I actually see that break of structure or that big engulfing move, I definitely think that looking for shorts is going to be the better, more high probability trades on the shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups at the time of entry that I share with my group by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.